Hello, welcome our The Best 5 channel. Today in this video I'm going to show some of the best exhaust fans which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. Panasonic FV0811VF5 WhisperFitEZ Fan. The Panasonic FV0811VF5 exhaust fan operates quietly at around 0.3 zones. It has a powerful motor but features WhisperFitEZ technology so it doesn't create disruptive noise during use. This exhaust fan from Panasonic uses less energy than many other fans while still moving large amounts of air around the room. It's made from durable materials and designed to last for years. Product features includes a 3-year warranty from the manufacturer, works with 4 inches and 6 inches ducts, uses FlexZ fast bracket for simple installation in most bathrooms. Pros: helps increase the air quality by removing moisture and pollutants. Motor uses less energy but is still very powerful. Unit is Energy Star certified. Cons: understanding the installation instructions can be a challenge. This exhaust fan from Panasonic has a simple design with an installation bracket that makes the process quick and easy in most bathrooms. This fan operates quietly while still having enough power to move air efficiently. Number 2. Broan SPK110 SENSONIC Speaker Fan. If you think that bathroom exhaust fans are boring and mundane, think again. How about a bathroom exhaust fan that can double up as an entertainment system? Yes, you read that right. The Broan SPK110 is not only a great bathroom exhaust fan, but it also comes with an inbuilt speaker so that instead of hearing an annoying fan noise from the appliance, you can hear your favorite music. If you have a Bluetooth-enabled device that can transmit files as well as receive them, you will be able to pair it with this exhaust fan, and that is how you get the music to the fan. The Bluetooth technology means that you don't need any special wires and you can leave your device outside the room. The high-quality speaker will ensure that you hear your favorite music crystal clear and you will have full control over the volume of the speaker too. This fan can be safely installed over your bathtub or your shower if you wish, as it is all listed. Although you will need to remember to use a GFCI protected branch circuit when you are installing the fan. The motor engineering that has gone into the design of this fan ensures that you will be able to enjoy continuous operation at all times. Number 3. Broan Exhaust Fan, Heater, and Light Combo. Heat things up while keeping moisture away, thanks to a bathroom exhaust fan with heater, like the Broan 9093WH. This combo model includes an exhaust fan, onboard heater, and light. Step out of the shower or warm up your morning routine with the help of the 1500-watt heater that provides a direct source of heat into your bathroom. A 100-watt incandescent bulb provides plenty of light power to illuminate the room, while the 7-watt night light is just bright enough to help you find your way in the middle of the night. The 70 CFM exhaust fan provides sufficient air movement for bathrooms up to 65 square feet. The unit includes a 4-function wall switch that lets you operate each function separately. Without a doubt, it is quite unpleasant having to wake up in the morning to head to a cold bathroom. At the same time, it doesn't make sense to heat the entire house, so that the bathroom isn't freezing. This unit warms the bathroom for you, and it accomplishes that almost instantly. Plus, you can select the desired temperature for your space, and the unit will evenly distribute the air so that the temperature is maintained. Number 4. Delta Breez SLM70 Slim 70 CFM Exhaust Fan. This unit is unbelievably compact for its performance, weighing less than 5 pounds. Another characteristic worth noting is how quietly it operates, which should definitely be appealing to most people. To be more specific, it operates at only 2.0 zones. Being equipped with a potent DC brushless motor, this exhaust fan won't let you down. The LED indicator light comes in handy, informing you when the unit is running. Meanwhile, The modern grille design is just as nice. There are many advantages associated with the brushless motor, namely quiet operation, low power consumption, and long life. At the same time, you can choose to install the unit on the wall or on the ceiling, depending on what works best for you and your space. Nonetheless, even if this isn't necessarily noisy, this doesn't mean you cannot hear it running. But, on the whole, the value it offers for the money is decent. Moving on, the unit is well built, meaning that it's likely to last for years. Number 5. Panasonic FV11VH2 Whisper Warm 110 CFM Ceiling Mounted Fan. The Panasonic FV11VH at Whisper Warm Ceiling Mounted Fan is easier to install than many other types of fans. This unit is designed to be powerful but still operate quietly. This fan from Panasonic has a white, cream color to go with your bathroom decor. It features a heat function and a fan to remove moisture from your bathroom and provide heat when you need it. Product features includes a tubular stainless steel heating element. Blower draws in air from both sides for efficiency, made with high-quality components and designed to last pros. Provides trouble-free operation for many years. Has a simple design that makes it easy to install. Gross weight is only 22.7 pounds. Cons: has a higher price than many other options. Requires some ductwork to be done if you don't have an existing exhaust fan. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos, and make sure enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.